You love garlic and you're a fan of curry, you've come to the right place. Garlic Lovers Chicken Curry is happening right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Simply Wendy, Live, Love, Bake. If you're new to the channel and you like to bake and cook, you've come to the right place for recipes, tips, and techniques. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Let's start off by making a garlic ginger paste filled with aromatic spices. Thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comments section below and share this video with your friends. I've added a link to the recipe in the description below. See you next time on Simply Wendy, Live, Love, Bake.